Yes, our products do work with both retrofit and new installs, and that was something we were very intentional about from the start. A lot of projects aren't clean, ground-up installs. You're often working with existing concrete, existing conduit, or infrastructure that's already in place. At the same time, you might be planning for future chargers that haven't been selected yet. Our pedestals are designed to work in both situations. They can be used on new installs where everything is planned from day one. They can also work well for retrofit projects where you need flexibility and fewer surprises during the install. All of our pedestals have pre-installed conduit knockouts that can be pushed out by hand so you're not drilling on site. We also have universal mounting, removable plates, and an installer-friendly layout. This gives you more room to adapt on site instead of having to rework what's already there. If you're dealing with a mix of retrofit constraints and future planning on a project, that's usually where our approach makes the biggest difference.